Hello, I'm making this tutorial to show you how to format an MLA document in Microsoft Word. Now, in class, I heard a couple people say that Microsoft Word was already set up for MLA style when you open the new document. However, that is not true, and there are a few different things we will have to set up in order for it to actually be in MLA style. So here I have a document that I've just gone ahead and opened. This is a new document, and let's go about setting it up. So the first thing we want to do is we want to adjust our line spacing. We want everything to be 2, but just to be sure, we're going to go check in line spacing to see our spacing options, because secret, in here's a secret, they have added extra spacing between lines that we don't want. So we want that set to 0. In fact, we want all of these set to 0, except our indent, which I think we don't set up here. We set that up. That's also hidden. We need our ruler in order to set it up. There we go. Now we have our tab set up. So this is how we're going to have our body. Now our body's set up. Every time you press the return, it's going to add a new line. And they're all already indented for you. All right, now we need to set up your title. So title. And for this one, you're going to go back to home. You're going to select the alignment and make it center aligned. All right, now for your name and such. For this one, we want this all left aligned. So we're going to have to add your name. So my name is Alan Barnhart. Professor Barnhart. That's my instructor. My course number. What is it? English. There we go. I almost put in the course code for my thesis class I'm in. There we go. And then the due date. Today, I'm just going to use today's date. So you're going to write the full month. You're not going to abbreviate it at all. This is essentially how you want your first page to look. I don't like this font. I think that Times New Roman or Courier or Arial would be better. Let's see, heading. I know that we edited the font in the everything else. We want to make sure our heading is using the same one. All right, we want our last name in this third little block here. And we also want to go to Insert and insert a page number, like that. So another thing about Word that's a little bit annoying is you can't see whether or not you've got the header set up. Once you click out of this, it's just gone. All right, so that's our front page formatted properly. Now let's go ahead and format the second page. Make sure you click at the very bottom. You're going to insert page break. Now we want to format our works cited sheet. We want to make this back to 0, bring that little alignment back to 0. We're going to write works cited. We're going to go back to home and make this center aligned. Make a new line. We want this line left aligned. And then we're going to move the hanging indent, the bottom arrow, over to 0.5. So now whenever you write your works cited entries, it's going to automatically go ahead and format those the way they should be formatted for you. Of course, if you copy and paste anything, like a citation you get from a generator, it's not going to format it properly. You should always manually enter your citations just to make sure that they are correct. All right, so let's go to View to make sure it is working right. Let's see if we can go to the reading view. There we go. Barnhart, title here. Works cited. Looks like we've set it up right. Alright, so that's all you have to do.